All right. Hi, everybody. I'm going to do a sample Heggerty lesson in case you want to take some notes, in case you want to look along. Have my Heggerty slide up. We are working on week 1, Thursday. So I have my book out and I'm looking at Thursday. We start off with rhyme repetition. So I'll say 2 words and then help the students identify what part of those words rhyme. Bright, light. If I'm listening to those words, I hear "ite" in both of those words. Sweet, treat. I hear "eat" in both of those words. Goose, moose. I hear "oose" in both of those words. Read, need. I hear "eed" in both of those words. Part, smart. I hear "art" in both of those words. Now we're going to go on to beginning sounds. I am going to say the word, and then the students will repeat back what they hear at the beginning of each word. So the word is name. What is the beginning sound? N. Remember, we're wanting them to make the sound, not tell you, oh, I hear an N at the beginning. The word is joy. What's the beginning sound? J, 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 j. The word is farm. What's the beginning sound? F. The word is joke. What's the beginning sound? J, 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 j. The word is same. What's the beginning sound? This is when you can start telling them that this is a continual sound, this is a stop sound. So j, 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 or s. All right, the next part we are going to take 2 words and make 1 word. So, goldfish, goldfish. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Sunfish, sunfish. Spotlight, spotlight. Flashlight, flashlight. Highlight, highlight. And these are the motions that you would teach the kids. I should have started with that. Now, for the next part, we are going to do final sounds. So, they might get a little confused, especially being week 1, beginning since we just did it, and final since we're now starting that. So make sure that final comes at the end. So the word is boat. What is the ending sound? T, 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 t. The word is egg. What is the ending sound? G, 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 g. Good job, Mama F. Mama F's on the other side of the camera doing it along with me. The word is park. Ending sound, k, 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 k. The word is cage. Ending sound, j. The word is road. Ending sound, d, 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 d. The word is room. Ending sound, mm. Once again, another time you can say stop sounds and continual sounds. Now we're going to take a word and we're going to segment it into the 2 words that make it up. So we're going to start by clapping our hands together and saying goldfish. Then we will break it up into goldfish, jellyfish, jellyfish, sunfish, sunfish, spotlight, spotlight, flashlight, flashlight, highlight, highlight. You want to see them doing the movements. You want to see them doing the words. This is a participation and engagement time. And if they're sitting there with their heads down, not doing, then that's not what we're asking them. All right. Now we're going to add words at end of words. Sorry, I'm trying to read. I should have done better before I started. So I'm going to hold up my hand and say any. The kids will repeat any. Then I'll say one. What is our new word? Any, one. Everybody say any, how. Any, how. Anything, anything. Any, where, anywhere. Any way, any way. All right, now we're going to delete words. So we're going to do the opposite of what we just did. So we're going to start by saying the word, and everyone's going to say it right along with me, anyone. And then I'm going to say, what's the word without one? Any. And you can do this anyone, 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 any. Sometimes you have to get their brains engaged to see what you're taking away. Anyhow, take away the how, we're left with any. Anything, take away the thing, we're left with any. You'll get your higher kids that rush you because they figured out the pattern, and that's okay, but make sure we're all still doing it together and everyone's participating. Anywhere, take away the where, any. Anyway, take away the way, any. All right, now we are going to change and substitute the final word. So we're going to start with our hands like this, somehow, and we're going to change how to one. Notice it now becomes a fist to show that I've changed it. So I started with somehow, changing how to one, someone. Then I have someone, change one to thing, something. I have something, change thing to time, some time. I have some time, change time to where, somewhere. And last one, somewhere, change where to how, somehow. Then what I do next is I'm going to skip the alphabet review. That is next in the schedule of Heggerty. We do that at the very end of Heggerty as an intro to UFly. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to say a sentence, and then you will repeat it back to me, and then we will count the words in the sentence. So, I wash my hands. I wash my hands. How many words? 4. I do my best work. I do my best work. Once again, we count how many fingers we held up for every word, and we have 5. I will try my best. I will try my best. 5 words. Now, I will tell the kids at this point, the next one, we're going to need both our hands. I like to learn new things. I like to learn new things. And that took both hands because it's 6 words. I am a good friend. I am a good friend. 5 words. Now that we have done with Heggerty, like I said, we're going to go back the step before the sentences, and we are going to practice our alphabet. I realize I need to change the link for the word alphabet. You're going to do Jack Hartman blendable sounds. That is the one that they've asked us to do. It goes perfectly with UFly, so they have asked us to do it because the sounds that he makes and the cue pictures that he uses matches UFly exactly. So, go through Heggerty, skip alphabet knowledge, do language awareness, the sentences, and then they get to sing along with
Yes, Cartman! It's Music Channel!
which I don't know why it was that loud, but it was. So I hope this has helped you get through Heggerty, alphabet review, and then the next video that I do, probably not today, will be a U-Fly video for you.